everybody. Today I made some honey hot wings and some garlic parmesan chicken wings. Okay, it was a spur of the moment dinner. I wanted some wings, but I didn't want to spend no money. So I went and looked in my freezer and I found me a pack of wings. And I had the ingredients to make the garlic parmesan wings. I had some leftover rotel to throw on some fries to have some rotel fries. So this is what I made, and I am going to bring you guys along for the ride. I recorded it so that you guys can see how to make you some garlic parmesan wings and some hot honey wings. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is when you get those wings out, you have to wash your chicken. You don't want that slimy, nasty gunk all over your wings. So go ahead and wash your wings. You don't have to have a lemon, but if you rub that slime off under some water, it will come off of your wings. So go ahead and clean your wings. I'm not about to eat no nasty, disgusting, dirty wings. I always wash my chicken. And sometimes you see that yellow stuff on that chicken, you got to clean that off too. Now, after you clean your chicken, make sure you wash your hand. Go ahead, clean your dishes out, whatever you use that you had your chicken in. As you can see, I'm cleaning my colander out. And make sure you clean it real good. Get you some detergent. Wash it out. Next, you got to clean your sink out. Here, I'm cleaning it out with some bleach spray. And I'm going to take me a washcloth and I'm going to wash the sink out. You have to clean everything when you're using stuff in your kitchen. You don't want to leave any germs behind, okay? And that same washcloth, you're probably saying, ugh, that's going to have the same germs on it. Yeah, but I'm going to show you how to go ahead and bleach some of them germs on right on up out of that washcloth, right there at the sink, okay? Before you even wash it. That way you won't be transporting germs from one end to the next. Go ahead and wash it out. See, I'm from the country. And this is how we were taught. I'm old school. So now I'm showing you, younger generation, how to go ahead and do it right here at the sink before you get ready to take it where you going, to your laundry room, because you don't want to transport all those germs back and forth. So you just clean your washcloth out at the sink after you clean your sink out. And make sure you wash everything that could have been splattered by your chicken juice, okay? So now it's time for me to get ready to fry my chicken up. The first thing you're going to do is pat dry that chicken. Make sure it's really, really dry. So do this with the paper towel. Next step is to go ahead and season up your meat. You can use whatever seasoning you like. I'm just using this Cajun seasoning that I had in my cabinet. And yeah, it's King's for it, and I found it at the Dollar Tree, y'all, for $1. If you want to cook you some chicken on the grill and you want to use that King's for it seasoning, it's at the Dollar Tree for $1.25, y'all. So right here, I'm just turning my chicken over, and I'm going to make sure I get all that seasoning on my chicken. Now, if you choose to use gloves, you can. I didn't have any gloves, so therefore I'm not using any. But if I had some, yes, I would use them. I'm going to go to the store and get me some gloves later on because I did run out. Now, I washed my hands. I'm going to open up my canola oil. It's vegetable canola oil. And we're going to go ahead and we are going to pour this into whatever utensil, pot, pan, dish, cast iron skillet that you choose to fry your wings in, deep fryer. I'm going to put enough in this wok to make it look like I'm deep frying them. So I'm going to add some cornstarch, add about 1/4 cup. Don't add as much as I did. It was an accident. And I'm going to shake this up. Now make sure your lid is on there tight because I didn't. And my cornstarch started flying out of there. Next, I'm going to add in about 1/4 cup of flour. So make sure that's equal parts cornstarch, equal parts flour. And I'm going to try to toss my chicken around so that I can get the flour all on it just as I did the cornstarch. And I'm going to put my lid back on here and I'm going to shake it back up. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your chicken. Yeah, shake your chicken. So after we get our chicken wings coated very well, we're going to get ready to fry these chicken wings in the oil. But you first must test your oil. So I'm showing you here that my oil is not ready. You want it to be at 350 degrees. And once your oil comes to the correct temperature and you get ready to place your wings in, you will see it bubbling, sizzling, and cooking. So it should be at least 350 degrees. And when you place your chicken wings in, the temperature's going to come down some. And just do not overcrowd your pot, your deep fry, your skillet, your wok, whatever you choose to fry in, okay? I fried my wings for 15 minutes because I like crispy wings, okay? If you don't like crispy wings, then you can go for 12 minutes or less, okay? Just make sure your wings are done internally. See how beautiful that is? Voila! Some delicious golden fried crispy chicken wings. Yes, we getting ready chow down over here, okay? So after my first batch of wings are done, I'm going to take them out of my skillet, my wok, and I'm going to go ahead and place my second batch of wings in. These sat in the coating longer, so they're going to be a little crispier than the first batch, y'all, okay? And I'm going to allow these to cook for 15 minutes as well. Just fry them to the crispiness that you like. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I made my hot honey sauce. I melted 1 stick of butter, or you can do a half a stick of butter. Okay, and then I added in about a cup of hot sauce. And then I'm going to go in with about a cup of honey, okay? So I just used equal parts honey, equal parts hot sauce, and I would suggest just use the half a stick of butter because I really didn't need all the sauce that I made. So just cut it in half. And then because we want our sauce to be thick, once it settles, you're going to add in about a tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay, I started out with a little bit of cornstarch, but I had to add more in to get it to my desired thickness. So use about a tablespoon of cornstarch and allow it to cook a minute and simmer together. And if you have any cornstarch pieces floating around, it'll cook out. So here I am checking on my second batch of chicken wings, fried, crispy, golden chicken wings. Here at this point, they have about 4 minutes to go. So I'm just turning them to make sure that they get golden and crispy on all sides. So now let's get back to our sauce. I'm going to add some seasoning in here. I'm using this Nature's Morton seasoning, about 3 teaspoons, because it has garlic powder, onion powder. It has all the seasonings in it. And I don't have to get separate seasonings. And I'm out of garlic powder anyway, so I didn't have no choice. So then I added a dab of lemon juice. Dab on them. That means like a teaspoon of lemon juice. And also off camera, I forgot to tell you guys to add in about 3 teaspoons of brown sugar, okay? Now I'm getting these last batch of wings out. And I'm going to add these wings to my sauce. Toss them in the sauce time. That's right. Ooh, y'all, these wings were so delicious. And I allowed them to sit in the wings while I get ready to prepare. The wings to sit in the sauce while I get ready to prepare my fries. I'm going to go ahead and just cook some fries in the same grease. I'm not going to cook them in a different oil. Okay, so now let's make these garlic parmesan wings. Melt your half a stick of butter. Add that same Nature's Morton seasoning to that half a stick of butter. And I added in about 3 tablespoons of garlic, minced garlic, because I didn't have garlic powder like I stated, but I have some minced garlic. And we're going to add some of that juice from that minced garlic. So add in about 2 tablespoons of that juice from that minced garlic because we want that garlicky flavor for our garlic parmesan wings. Okay, and for the parmesan, add in about, I say about 3 to 4 tablespoons of the garlic and the parmesan. So 3 tablespoons of the garlic and 3 tablespoons of the parmesan. If you like more parmesan when you're finished, you can add more. So then you go ahead and you toss your wings in it. Toss it, toss it, toss it. And here we have our garlic parmesan wings and we have our mild hot honey wings. And we had some leftover rotel, so we just decided to make us a low vibration plate and add it on. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial on how to make you some garlic parmesan wings and some mild hot honey wings. It was delicious. So thanks for tuning in to Cooking with TK. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Stay tuned to my channel for another video.